everyone and welcome back to Cybrosys. In today's video, we are going to look at the complete purchase workflow in Odoo 19, starting from request for quotation, also known as RFQ, all the way to vendor bill creation. This workflow helps businesses manage purchasing efficiently, track vendor transactions, and ensure proper stock updates. So, if you're new to Odoo purchasing or want to update the full process step by step, this video will guide you through everything. So, let's get started. For that, first, let's open the purchase module. The purchase module allows companies to manage vendors, purchase orders, purchase procurement, and vendor billing in one place. So, very first step for us to do is to create an RFQ. So, let's create RFQ from here. Click on New. Okay, so RFQ means simply request for quotation. So this is something which is sent to vendors to request pricing and purchase terms for products. So you can click new to create a new one. And what you have to do is you have to select the vendor. So I'm selecting the vendor over here. So this is the vendor from whom you want to purchase the product. And next you have to add the product that you want to purchase. So you can add a product from here. So I'm adding the product. The quantity I'm changing it. Okay. So the product is now added. And for example, if you are choosing, here I have chosen the customizable desk. So you have to specify the quantity as well as the unit price and planned delivery date. Okay, so I'm here setting the unit price as 10. Okay, and at this stage, the document remains in the RFQ stage itself. So once you send it, okay, then it will be changed to the RFQ. So confirmed RFQs are what we call as purchase order. So next step is confirming. Before confirming, you can actually send RFQ, okay, which will make the stage RFQ sent. So this is how the PDF or this is how it looks like. This is what the vendor is going to receive. So you can send it to the vendor. So you can see the RFQ is sent. Now you can click on confirm order. So this has now become the purchase order. So once the vendor confirms the quotation or decide you to proceed with the purchase, then the RFQ can be converted into a purchase order. So to do this, you can simply click on the confirm order. Now your RFQ has become a purchase order and Odoo automatically prepares the next step in the purchasing process, which is receiving the product. So you can see the receive button is active right now, and we have one more thing which is called bill matching. So we'll get to it. Now here you have receiving products. So click on receive products. Okay, so here you can actually verify the quantity of products that have been received. So you can take a look at demand quantity and the quantity which has been received. So once it's validated, you can simply click on validate to confirm the product reception. Okay, so once it's validated, Odoo automatically updates the inventory stocks. Okay, like ensuring accurate stock tracking and all. Okay, then you can actually create a vendor bill. So if you go back to the purchase order, you have the option to upload bill. Other than that, you have this bill matching. So you can see the bill over here. You can simply click on this check and click on match, or you can add it to the purchase order. So I've clicked on match. My bill is matching and all. I do a separate video on what bill matching is. So here you have, this is basically the bill. Here you have to add the bill date. Okay. So after the products are received, the very next step is the vendor bill, right? Once you create a bill, Odoo automatically pulls the details from the purchase order, including the vendor products. But you don't have to forget to specify the bill date. Okay. You can verify the bill information and make adjustments if it is necessary. So this basically records the payable amount in the accounting system. So once it's done, you can simply click on confirm. So this will become a posted bill. And the final step is to proceed the payment. So after confirming the vendor bill, the finance team can proceed with the payment process through the accounting module, and this will ensure proper financial tracking and vendor payment. So you can simply click on pay from here and you can create a payment. So you can specify which journal it should go, the payment method, the amount and the date. So click on create payment, which will bring a green color ribbon which is written in payment. Okay, so the payment can be done likewise. Now you go back to the purchase order. You can see the vendor bill is here. So the receipt is here, the price comparisons can be taken. Okay, so that's the complete purchase workflow. So starting from RFQ, confirming the purchase order, receiving the products, and finally creating the vendor bill. So this process helps businesses streamline procurement while maintaining accurate inventory and financial records. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.